Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome to the e-learning classes. I am a science teacher. I hope you all are good. So, students, today we will do match the following of lesson 3 wild animals. So, all of you take out your science copies and start writing. You have to write this in your science fair copy. आप लोग अपनी साइंस की फेयर कॉपी निकाल लीजिए. आज हम लोग लेसन 3 का मैच द फॉलोइंग करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन today's date. Today is 9th of July 2020. On the next line, write down CW, that is classwork. Underline it. On the next line, write down the lesson number and lesson name. So today we will do lesson 3, wild animals. Write down the heading and underline it. On the next line, we will write the name of the exercise. So today we will do match the following. Match the animals with their homes. You have to match the animals with their homes where these animals live. Alright, so underline the heading with your pencil and scale. Done? So let's start now. Our first question is, okay, first of all divide the page into two equal halves for doing match the following. As I have already told you, मैच द कॉलम करने के लिए आपका जो पेज है इसको टू इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. सो वी विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन इन बिटवीन. दिस इज कॉलम ए and this is column B. Underline it. So you have to make two columns. On the right side, on the left side, write down number 1, den. So which animal lives in den? Den में कौन सा एनिमल रहता है? Do you know that? A lion lives in a den. This is a den and there is a lion inside it. ये क्या है? Den है और इसके अंदर कौन है? Lion. So a lion lives in a den. So the answer will be A, lion. Lion. Students, I am writing the correct answer in front of the question. जो question है उसका correct answer उसके सामने लिख रही हूँ. You need not to write or draw any lines or write any numbering over there. कोई भी नंबरिंग करने की या कोई भी लाइंस ड्रॉ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई एम राइटिंग द करेक्ट आंसर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. सो अ लॉयन लिव्स इन अ den. All right. Next is number 2, bird. Where do birds live? Birds कहाँ रहते हैं? Birds make their nest on trees. Birds trees पे अपना nest बनाते हैं. So they lives on tree in their nest. Can you say this? This is a tree and there is a nest and birds are living there. ये birds हैं जो trees पे अपना nest बनाए हैं. So a bird makes a nest on a tree. So the answer will be birds lives. कहाँ रहते हैं birds? Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Let's move to the third one. Snakes. Snake कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do snakes live? Snakes and moles make holes and lives there. Snake कहाँ रहते हैं? वो holes बनाते हैं और holes में रहते हैं. As I have already told you. See, this is a snake and where they are living in a hole. वो hole बना के hole उसके अंदर रहते हैं. So snakes and moles lives in holes. Snake और moles holes में रहते हैं. So the answer will be C, holes. Snake holes में रहते हैं. Students, please write the correct spellings. Let's move to the fourth one. Our fourth question is deer. Where do bears live? Bears कहाँ रहते हैं? Bears lives in a cave. Can you say this diagram? This is a bear. क्या है? Bear है. और bear कहाँ पे है? The bear is living inside a cave. Cave means गुफा. वो एक गुफा बना के cave के अंदर रहते हैं. So a bear lives in a caves. So the answer will be D, caves. All right. So these are the 4 questions which we will do in match the column, and you have to write this in your science fair copy. Students, please do very neat and clean work. Then lion, bird, nest, snake, holes, bear, caves. All right. Now you just write down your today's homework. Your today's homework is you have to learn exercise given on page number 24. Learn exercise given on page number 24. पेज नंबर 24 में जो एक्सरसाइज दी हुई है वो आपको लर्न करनी है. दैट इज़ येस और नो, जो कि कल मैंने करवाया था आपको इन योर कॉपीज़. राइट येस for the correct statements and no for the incorrect statements. Alright, you have to learn this. Alright, now all of you open your books, page number 28. So I have given you this as your homework. Look at the animals below. Write H for herbivores, C for carnivores, and O for omnivorous animals. So you have to write H, C or O for these animals. So zebra, number 1 is zebra. Which type of animal is this? This is a herbivorous animal, as it eats only plants and animals. Sorry, it eats only plants and herbs. So the answer will be H. Write down H in the box given. Tiger, tiger eats only flesh. वो क्या खाते हैं? सिर्फ flesh खाते हैं. So they are the carnivorous animals. Write down C over there. Bat, which type of animals are bat? Bat ऐसे animals होते हैं जो flesh भी खाते हैं और plants भी खाते हैं. So they are the omnivorous animals. So we will write O here. Crocodile, crocodile is a carnivorous animals, as they eat only flesh. वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ flesh खाते हैं. So we will write C here. Crow, crow दोनों चीज़ें खाते हैं, flesh भी खाते हैं और grains भी खाते हैं, plants भी खाते हैं. So they are the omnivorous animals. So we will write O. What is this? This is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are the herbivorous animals. They eat only plants. So we will write H here. Students, you have to do this in your books only. ये books में ही करना है. No one is going to write this in your copy. ये copy में नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ books में ही करेंगे. You have to write this in your science fair copy. Alright. I hope things are clear to you. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.